Hello friends, welcome to our channel, Suwadna Iran. Today we are doing a rock painting. Are you ready for this? So let's do this experiment.
Ron, what you're going to paint?
A rock painting.
Yeah, what you're going to paint on a rock?
Yeah, like fish.
Okay, let's see.
Yeah, and the rock. Yeah, let's go on the video.
What do you need for rock painting?
Like you need this color tub for put these colors. Look,
Okay.
and some five rocks.
Okay.
You can do this at your home, guys. So,
These
these
are
are colors like orange, like blue, and purple and black.
Okay, and these are the
So-
brushes. Okay, we do.
Yeah.
So we need all this, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see how Ron is going to do a painting on a rocks. Ron, what you're going to do now?
So you need to color this rock
Okay.
like paint. I will show you.
Okay, keep that rock on the tissue.
Look.
Okay. Very good, Ronnie.
Gonna cover it. You can do it. I want dark paint.
I'll give you. Don't go into that. Just do it outside. Very good.
Here too.
No. Just do it here. Go from here outside. Only outside.
I want more paint.
I'll give you.
Yeah, just like. I done with my fish now. Now I am making rainbow. Look, da, da, da.
Are talking about in terms of the timeline.
Okay. Okay, Ronnie, what are the rainbow colors?
Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple.
Finished? Which color next?
Yellow. This is not enough yellow.
Okay, you want some more?
Yeah. Done.
Oh, it's looking so colorful, Ronnie.
Yeah.
Do you have enough space to...
Yeah, here, look.
Will show me? Okay. Why are you making all funny faces?
Ito un poco. So we're done with my rock painting, and friends, be good and wash your hands all day, and be self good and listen to your parents. Do you really like my video so much? Give us a big thumbs up, and now subscribe to our video, and be soon, bye. Pickle.